Oh, today we got a no cool. We're toward the end of August right now. Haven't really recorded anything. August has been pretty damn brutal, like the way it always is. A lot of crazy stuff going on right now, work and just family. So haven't really had a chance to record. Haven't really wanted to record. Just been so busy, so tired, running ragged. I think I just got a package unit here at this suite. We'll take a look at it. Went inside, thermostat satisfied. So thinking maybe something like a condenser fan motor might be going up. I think we might have a condenser fan or something maybe going out intermittently. Maybe running half the time. So I'll set up my ladder, we'll take a look. Took a look at that suite. They were telling me it wasn't cooling. It's got a brand new unit hooked up to it. Tested it by the thermostat, went ahead and even shut it down, made sure that this in fact was the unit for that suite, and it is, so that one's working just fine. This one right next door, it's got a problem with it because I've got no power coming up to it. So I'm gonna wait for the property manager to show up. Maybe might have an issue with this unit right here. I'll turn you back on in a moment. Don't be that guy. Don't run your universal wire leads like that. You get shocked. One of those dry rot from the sun. Maybe put a cover back on that. God knows where it's at. Maybe put a fan motor back together. I don't know if you can see that. Bobbing and weaving. Mount that motor back in place. Don't just do crap like that just to get it over and done with. So this is the one I gotta take a look at, see what's going on with it. It's 5:30. Last call of the day. Coming back into town. I've got a no cool, little easy split system. Big old ball of ice. So thinking maybe our blower motor took a poo poo, or we lost power, or goblins devoured the freaking blower wheel. I don't know. Okay, we'll take a look. Turn it back on. So they got it in ice making mode. Let's take a peek at that blower. It spins pretty good, but it's not locked. Check my control wiring, make sure that's up to par, and then take a look at my fan leads right there between common and run, see if they're open. So I've got my fan jumped out. I'm gonna go ahead and kick on power. So right there, I'm gonna check power right here, see if I got 24 volts. It's kind of awkward to do this with. Oh, there it is. So, as soon as I started tapping on that switch right there, my blower engaged, so that contact is getting stuck. That stack really needs to be replaced. So, I think I've got one on my truck. Go ahead and replace it. There's a Goodman unit. These are pretty common to go out and then a little stack relay. So, really nothing too difficult about them. You just got your coil voltage here on the bottom, common, fan. Then you got your incoming power supply. This is going to be for your heat. When you get a call for heat, you get a leg of power that gets transferred to here and gets passed over to your blower without energizing your coil here. That's how that works. It gets bypassed. So on a regular call for cooling your fan, this gets energized. It's normally open contact between 1 and 3 shuts, and your fan turns on. But since this was stuck open, I just tapped on it and it came on. So that's an indication that this deal is starting to go out. So I went ahead and replaced it with just It doesn't have the time delay incorporated into it like this one does. So what I'll do on the programmable thermostat, I'll just set a pre-purge and a fan run delay at the end for about 40 seconds. So that way we'll be able to incorporate that fan delay as well. And that's pretty much about it for this one. It's real simple.